Are you one of those like Anna that is always losing your iPhone, Android, and the phone is right on your nose, but you get frustrated because you're not able to find it? Guess what? I have the solution. The Sunu band. I'm wearing my Sunu band, this smartwatch, and if you don't know what the Sunu band is all about, guess what? I did a Sunu band unboxing with total visual description for the blind. I did a Sunu review, and guess what? I'm actually gonna go ahead and include the links down here in the description. But today, sharing with you how you can actually find your phone through the Sunu band. Yes. You know, very often well, for me, I purchase tiles that I actually attach to my home keys and different things at the house, and I can actually find my things through my iPhone. But looking for my iPhone, well, I need something else, right? Out there. Well, hopefully I'm not going to lose my phone out there, but at home, I can use my Sunu band. See, I can press the home button, keep it pressed, and then listen, pay attention.
Phone finder on.
It's right here, right in front of my nose. Listen, right? And then if I press the home button,
Home.
It stops, and guess what? My Sunu band is gonna turn off to save my battery. And not only this, but through the Sunu band, you can actually not only see the world around you when you are out there or indoor.
Sunu band off.
See, told you so. It saves your battery. It goes off. But you can actually find chat locations, coffee shops, McDonald's, restaurants, the bus stop. You can actually point at the street. See, it'll tell you which street you are pointing at. It'll tell you the address of the location that you're standing. And guess what? It has a compass. So you know if you're heading north, east, south, or west, whatever. North, east, south, west. Yes, I said it right. I think I did. Anyway, but one of the things that I'm loving is that the Sunu band is a whole tool. You can do a lot of things through the Sunu band, and you're just wearing it. It's right there. So to find my phone is one of the features that I really, really, really like. Besides being able to see just the world around me. Yes, I also have this video in Spanish, and here again down in the description I have the links to my videos, and if you know anyone who speaks Spanish, tell them that I also have this video in Spanish. Okay, that was my vision for today. Adios, bye, see you in the next video.